Welcome to Lesson 16. Every app we've built so far lives inside Foundry. Workshop dashboards for internal teams. But what about your customers, your tenants, your field technicians? They don't have Foundry logins. They need a standalone React web app that connects directly to your Foundry ontology over HTTPS. Workshop is a powerful internal tool for Foundry users, but not everyone who interacts with your data has a Foundry license. Tenants tracking maintenance status, customers submitting requests, field technicians on a mobile device, they all need clean, simple web apps that feel like native apps but are backed by your Foundry ontology. Workshop is no-code and great for internal use. OSDK requires code but gives you unlimited flexibility. Workshop users need Foundry logins. OSDK users can be anyone: customers, tenants, partners. Workshop runs inside Foundry. OSDK apps runs on your own infrastructure and connect to Foundry via API. Choose Workshop for internal ops. Here's how the architecture works. A user opens your React app. The app checks if they have a valid token. If not, it redirects to Foundry's login page. After login, Foundry redirects back with an auth code. The app exchanges that code for an access token, and from there, every OSDK call automatically includes the token. The API gateway validates the token. The development workflow is straightforward. First, register your app in Developer Console, similar to registering an OAuth app on GitHub. Then generate TypeScript types from your ontology. This gives you autocomplete and compile time type checking. OSDK client methods are the interface between your React app and the Foundry ontology. fetchPage lets you query objects with filter and sorting. fetchOne gets a single object by ID. Links let you traverse relationships, like going from a work order to its assigned technician. And applyAction executes backend operations. This is the kind of app that Foundry customers deploy to production. Tenants use it daily. It feels as smooth as Gmail or Slack because it's built with React. And it's secure because every query and action goes through the OSDK API gateway, which enforces permissions. A tenant can only see their OAuth2 PKCE is the standard for single-page apps. The proof key means the browser never stores the app's secret. The login flow uses a temporary code that's valid for only one exchange. This is much more secure than sessions or API keys in front-end code. Your app never sees the user's password. Your OSDK app is just a React application, so it runs anywhere React runs. Vercel is popular because it handles serverless functions and has one-click deploys. But you could use AWS, Azure, or even on-premise. The app connects to Foundry over HTTPS, so it works anywhere with internet. With OSDK, you are no longer limited to Foundry's UI. You can build custom, mobile-friendly applications that leverage your entire Foundry system. Your tenants get a dedicated portal. Your customers see only what they are authorized to see. Your field technicians get a responsive mobile app, or secured and audited by Foundry. Finish your homework for Lesson 16 and mark complete. I'll see you in the next lesson.